Good morning, my dear students in grade 3. How are you today? I hope you are fine.
رؤية المدرسة إعداد فتيات متعلمات مبدعات قادرات على بناء مجتمع واع متحضر محافظة على أخلاقه وقيمه ومستخدمة للتكنولوجيا الحديثة.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
What day is it today? Today is Sunday. What is the weather like today? It's cold. Our lesson today is revision on Module 6 and 7. Objectives of our lesson today: recall the use of the verb go after activities. Recall how to form the plural. Recall the use of there is and there are. Recall the difference between some and any. Go plus ing. We use the verb go. The verb go is often used with activities and sports that end in ing. I go scuba diving. He goes camping in summer. They go hiking on Saturdays. I go sailing in summer. I go sailing. I go scuba diving in summer. My brother doesn't go scuba diving. He goes hiking. Here we use the verb go with activities ending in ing. What do you do on Saturdays? I go hiking. What do you do on Fridays? I go camping. Go plus verb plus ing. They go walking. Let's answer the questions. Let's choose the correct answer. Please get your notebooks, write these sentences and choose the correct answer. I go every day. Run, runs, or running. Perfect. Running, because the verb go takes the verb plus ing. I go in summer. I go sail, sails, sailing. Perfect. Sailing. Go plus verb plus ing. In summer, I go diving, dives, dive. Perfect. In summer, I go diving. I always go hiking hikes. Perfect. I always go hiking. For time, we always use at. I go to school 7 o'clock. In, at, or on. Perfect. I go to school at 7 o'clock. Number 2. I eat lunch 2:30. At, in, or on. Excellent. I eat lunch at 10:30. 2:30. Number 3. I sleep 9:15. I sleep in, on, or at 9:15. Perfect. I sleep at 9:15. I go shopping 4 o'clock. In, at, or on. Excellent. I go shopping at 4 o'clock. Now let's see how to form the plural. We have some regular nouns. Most nouns take S in the plural. Cat, cats. Carrot, carrots. Computer, computers. Nouns ending in S, CH, SH, X, O take ES in the plural. Bus, buses. Box, boxes. Watch, watches. Nouns ending in a consonant plus Y drop the Y and take IES in the plural. Strawberry, strawberries. Country, countries. But boy, boys, because here is the O is a vowel, not a consonant. Nouns ending in F or FE take VES in the plural. Leaf, leaves. Scarf, scarves. We have some irregular nouns. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Person, people. Mouse, mice. Fish, fish. Adjectives haven't got a plural form. This is an old umbrella. These are old umbrellas. Now stop the video and write the plural of these nouns. Cat, bus, box, country, computer, strawberry, leaf, and man. Cat, cats. It will take S. Bus, buses. It takes ES because it ends in S. Box, boxes. We add ES. Country, countries. This noun ending in a consonant plus Y. We drop the Y and add IES. Computer, computers. Strawberry, strawberries. Strawberry ending in consonant R plus Y, so we drop the Y and add IES. Leaf, leaves. We drop the F and add VES. Man, men. Scarf, scarves. We drop the F and take VES. Boy, boys. Shelf, shelves. We drop the F and add VES. Watch, watches. It takes ES because the noun ending in CH. Tooth, teeth. It's an irregular plural. Foot, feet. Child, children. Person, people. Mouse, mice. Fish, fish. Now let's see the difference between there is, a or an, and there are, some. We use there is or there is to say that a person, animal, place, or object exists in a specific space. We use an with singular countable nouns. For example, there is a cherry, there is an apple, there is a carrot, there is a book. And we use there are to say that more than one person, animal, place, or object exists in a specific place. We use some with plural countable nouns in affirmative sentences. For example, there are some cherries, there are some apples, there are some books. Now, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms and can be counted. We can use an or numbers before them. A banana, 12 bananas. A book, 13 books. 4 apples. Uncountable nouns only have a singular form and they can't be counted. We can't use a or an or numbers before them. For example, meat, milk, cheese, spaghetti, tea, coffee, orange juice, rice, soup, and water. We can't say a meat or two meat. Also, we can't say a milk or 4 milks. Some and any. We use some and any with plural countable nouns and with uncountable nouns. We use some in affirmative sentences and any in questions. There are some eggs in the fridge. There is some milk. Here we use some in affirmative sentences, some eggs or some milk, and we use some with countable nouns like eggs or uncountable nouns like milk in the positive. Is there any milk in the fridge? Look, here is a question mark. It's a question. We use any in the question. Is there any milk in the fridge? Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Are there any eggs in the fridge? Yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Is there any milk in the fridge, Rima? Yes, there is. Here we use any because it's a question. Look at the question mark. Yes, there is. There are some bananas too. It's a positive sentence, so we use some. There is a pineapple. We say there is for the singular. There is just one pineapple. There are some pineapples. Here we use there are in the plural. There is, am, or are a banana. Please write these sentences in your notebooks and write the answers. Stop the video and then come back to check your answers. Perfect. There is a banana because it's just one banana, so we say there is. There are cherries. There are any or some cherries. There are some cherries because it's a positive sentence. There are peas. There are some peas because it's a positive sentence. There is a strawberry because it's just one strawberry. Some and any. There are some pineapples. We have many pineapples. Here, look, there are more than one, so we say there are. There is some pineapple juice. We use there is with uncountable nouns, nouns which we can't count. Is there any pineapple juice? Here we use any because it's a question. We use any in questions. There is salt. Some, many, or any. There is some salt because it's an uncountable noun and it's a positive sentence, not a question. Is there salt? Is there any, many, or some? Is there any salt? Because it's a question. Look at the question mark. There are apples. There are some, much, or any apples. Perfect. There are some apples because it's a positive sentence. Are there apples? Perfect. Are there any apples because it's a question. Are there bananas? Are there any bananas because it's a question. There are bananas. There are some bananas because it's a positive sentence. It's not a question. There is coffee. Any, many, or some. There is some coffee. Is there coffee? Some, many, or any? Excellent. Any because it's a question. Thank you, my lovely students, and goodbye.